My Whirlpool washing machine has no light on the control panel, acts like no power, and we have had electrical storms in area. However, circuit breakers have been reset, and a table lamp plugged into wall outlet lights, indicating power supply. Does machine have an internal circuit breaker or easy fuse or reset switch, or must I spend more on repairs than machine's value? Thanks.
How can I help with your home repair question?
My machine is dead as if no power, but I reset breakers, and when I plug table lamp into wall outlet, it lights, so I obviously have power. Have had lightning in area. Is there a fuse or circuit breaker easy to get at in Whirlpool washer, or is it likely a motherboard is burnt? Must I call repairman who will cost as much as machine's value?
Is your Whirlpool washer top or front loading? How old is it?
Top loading, and I don't know age, maybe 3 years. Manual says it's for top loading high efficiency low water washer.
The appliance technician can walk you through this. I'll connect you shortly. How long has this been going on with your Whirlpool washer? What have you tried so far?
Worked fine till yesterday, now dead. Tried pushing buttons, shutting and opening top, resetting circuit breakers, and finally plugging small lamp into wall outlet, which lit, showing that I do have power.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Can't think of anything. I live out in woods and could take the top part off, which I assume contains the control panel or whatever you call it.
Hello, I would be happy to help you. Do you have the model number?
Don't have model number. Machine probably 2 to 4 years old. Manual had the address to which I emailed bringing me to you. Manual has 2 numbers on it, W107-83951A and W107-83952A SP.
The model number will be on a white sticker on the inside of the lid opening under the bottom center under the lid.
Don't want to talk unless you think necessary. Not at home with washer. Can you answer question if a fuse or reset switch or something simple a lawyer might be able to do? Thanks.
Sorry, that's the site trying to call you, not me, just ignore it. The model number will be on a white sticker on the inside of the lid opening under the bottom center under the lid.
I ain't at the machine, which is at my house 25 miles from here. Can find model no. Tonight and email tomorrow if you can't answer my question now. What is the email address to be sure I get to you? I thought I was emailing the Whirlpool factory or whatever. Thanks.
Absolutely. This isn't Whirlpool. I'm a factory authorized service provider for them. Whirlpool washers don't have a fuse, unfortunately. Let me know when you are ready. Message me here.
Hey, Austin. If you feel up to dealing with a grouchy old lawyer, call me at my office where I am now. Hashtag and tell me if there is an easy fix or what. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.